If you're an aspiring guitarist who dreams of becoming a fingerstyle maestro, you've come to the right place. Many guitarists struggle with their fingerstyle playing, feeling frustrated and stuck in a rut. But fear not. In this article, we will unveil proven practice routines that will revolutionize your fingerstyle playing and help you achieve your musical goals. Identify the problem: frustration and stagnation. Are you tired of feeling frustrated every time you try to improve your fingerstyle technique? Do you find yourself hitting a plateau and unable to progress further? These are common problems faced by many guitarists, but they can be overcome with the right approach. The unique rationale: unlocking your potential. By following these proven practice routines, you will unlock your full potential as a fingerstyle guitarist. You'll discover new techniques, improve your speed and accuracy, develop better control over dynamics, and enhance your overall musicality. What you'll get out of this article. In this article, we will delve into specific practice routines that target different aspects of fingerstyle playing. Each routine is designed to address common challenges faced by guitarists while providing clear instructions on how to overcome them effectively. Routine 1. Technique building exercises. To become a proficient fingerstyle player, it's essential to build strong foundational techniques. Start with exercises that focus on developing precision in both hands movements, from fretting notes accurately to plucking strings cleanly using various fingers. Routine 2. Speed development techniques. Once you have mastered the basics, it's time to work on increasing your speed without sacrificing accuracy or control. Incorporate exercises like scales played at gradually increasing tempos or challenging passages from songs played at slower speeds initially before gradually ramping up the tempo. Routine 3. Dynamics and expression. Great fingerstyle playing is not just about hitting the right notes. It's also about expressing emotions and dynamics through your playing. Practice exercises that emphasize controlling volume, tone, and articulation to bring out the full potential of each note you play. Routine 4. Song repertoire expansion. Learning songs from different genres will expose you to various fingerstyle techniques and musical styles. Choose songs that challenge your current skill level while providing opportunities for growth in specific areas such as rhythm, fingerpicking patterns, or chord progressions. Routine 5. Ear training and improvisation. Developing a good ear is crucial for any musician. Train your ears by practicing interval recognition exercises or transcribing melodies by ear. Additionally, practice improvisation over chord progressions using scales and arpeggios related to the key of the song. Conclusion. By incorporating these proven practice routines into your daily guitar practice sessions, you will witness a significant transformation in your fingerstyle playing ability over time. Remember to be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey of improvement. Rome wasn't built in a day. With consistent effort and dedication, you'll soon find yourself on stage dazzling audiences with your newfound skills as a fingerstyle maestro. In summary, revolutionize your fingerstyle playing today by implementing targeted practice routines that address common challenges faced by guitarists. From building technique to developing speed, dynamics, expanding repertoire, training ears for improvisation, these routines cover all aspects necessary for becoming a guitar maestro. So pick up your guitar now and embark on this exciting journey towards mastering the art of fingerstyle playing.